Welcome to an ongoing sewing report series to sew McCall's M6044 men's shirt pattern. In this episode, we're focusing on doing a narrow hem for view B. You'll find links to my favorite garment sewing supplies below. Okay, so I'm sharing the easiest, fastest method that gives me the nicest looking hem using both a serger and a sewing machine, but without any pins. First, you'll serge the shirt hem as close to the raw edge as possible, but still shaving off a tiny bit of fabric. You do want a clean finished seam to work with. Oh, and I'm making 2 shirts at a time, hence why there's different fabrics. This is the Brother 1034D serger, and the settings are a stitch width of 7 and a stitch length of 4. What I'm doing is creating a guide for folding. Serging the edges helps with the curved areas, making them easier to maneuver into place. Fold the ends over twice, and as usual, I'm securing the hem in place with what else? Elmer's washable school glue in a fine tip bottle, and I've talked about this a bunch before. When you hit that with the dry iron, it temporarily holds the fabric until you wash it. Then all you have to do is edge stitch close to that inner fold, a little under a 1/4 inch from the bottom of the shirt or the end of the hem. And this is my favorite hack for sewing a narrow hem with the least amount of frustration, no measuring, markings, or pins. Thanks for watching, and check back for more videos on sewing a collared shirt. I'm Jennifer Moore, and I'll see you next time for the Sewing Report.